Quote requests. The Quote Requests page allows clients to request traffic management pricing and project estimates directly from their provider through the Smart Roads client portal. Clients can create quote requests, track progress, review quote statuses, and manage approvals in one place. The new quote request form allows clients to select a provider, enter project details, add a PO/reference number, choose the work location using the interactive map, and add site notes or access details. Clients can also select preferred dates and working hours, choose traffic management or closure types, provide work descriptions and special instructions, and upload supporting documents such as TMPs, plans, permits, sketches, photos, or approvals. A live quote request summary panel updates automatically while the form is being completed, helping clients review their information before submission. Overall, this feature helps clients organize project details, request pricing, and manage traffic management quote requests more efficiently from one central portal.